Okay, we got all this different 17 HMR ammo. We put 1 round of each. And I just want to make sure it can cycle through the gun. And we got a little metal, we got a cement block down there. Yeah, we got this cement block down there. We're just gonna see what type of damage it put, but we basically just making sure all this different ammo run. That was all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go check that. So everything ran, because on a couple of those boxes it said not for semi-automatic, and check the owner's manual or something like that. Okay, here's the type of damage from the 17 HMR. So this already been shot, but I just was gonna check and see. Okay, that's a nice little crater in there. I'm gonna flip those around and then do a couple more rounds on there. All right, so we just loaded up 5 of the full metal jackets. We're gonna finish off those cement blocks. Then I'm gonna load up 5 more and see if I can get this chronograph to pick up. It is raining, so when you get water or something over there, those don't work. But we're gonna try to do that. So yeah, let's do the cement blocks. You can scoot over some more. Yeah, I think that's hitting the box. So pretty much I haven't had any jams out of this gun. I started with this type of ammo right here and it was good. So now I'm gonna run some more and try it on this chronograph. Which one's moving the fastest? Pretty much the fastest I've seen is 2550. So I'm gonna try some of these 2550s and see if it's getting up there. All right, load them 4 up. Let me clear this chronograph. And just go. That ain't the camera, is it? No, it should be good. Yeah, just going through the chronograph to get the numbers. Come back a little bit. All right, didn't pick up nothing. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, let me see if I can bring it inside of here. You do gotta have some distance between yourself and the chronograph. $26.47, $26.34, $27.31, $26.55. That was an error, so that's cool. All right, so what the box said, 25. So yeah, we exceeded that, and that's only with a 16-inch. Because I was gonna get the 20-inch, but that was pretty good. Yeah, it was $25.50 on that. So that was pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna probably keep it at the 16 for right now. I was gonna go longer.
Okay.
All right. See your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.